Alright, let's get real. Today I'm dropping the honest truth about the GT50 drone. Is it a scam, or is it actually a steal for tech beginners like you and me? So, here's the deal. The GT50 drone is 100% legit. You order it, and you actually get a drone in the mail. For around $40, you're not getting straight up scammed. But here's where things get a little shady. The marketing? Oh man, it's wild. You'll see 8K HD dual camera and GPS technology splashed all over the ads. But the reality? The camera's more like 720p, and those fancy GPS features? Pretty much non-existent. It's really just a basic drone dressed up to look like something way more expensive, like the DJI Mini 5. The components? Super generic. You get a basic optical flow sensor to help it hover, but it's not the real deal GPS you might expect. And those obstacle avoidance sensors? They work. Sometimes. Mostly indoors. And even then, the performance can be hit or miss. Let's talk flying. For what you pay, it actually does a decent job. The brushless motors mean it's smoother and should last a bit longer, and it flies well for casual fun. The remote even has a little screen, so you don't have to use your phone for everything. Super beginner-friendly. But, seriously, don't expect to shoot epic cinematic footage. The video quality is just okay. Great for a first drone or for goofing around outside, but not for creating your next viral travel vlog. Bottom line? The GT50 isn't a total scam. It's a real entry-level toy that flies and takes video, just not at the level the ads promise. If you're cool with basic features and fun flying, it's a solid deal.